Hey there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to remove Meta AI on WhatsApp. So for this, firstly we need to locate our WhatsApp app in our device. Now click on the app to open it. Once the app is open, now here as you can see we have this Meta AI. So you need to click on these three dots and go to settings. To remove this here, scroll down and you will find this option of chats here. Some people find the option of Meta AI here. They can enable or disable it from here. If you don't have this option, no worries. You need to go back and scroll all the way down. Here we have this help option. Go to help center. Now here you need to click on chats. Here in the bottom right corner you will find this contact us option. Click on it. And here you need to explain your problem that I want to remove Meta AI from my WhatsApp and simply send them this request. And within 24 hours, WhatsApp will get back to you and will solve your problem. In this way, you can remove Meta AI on WhatsApp. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe us. Thank you for watching. Bye.